All right. Direct and inverse. No. Use the given information to write the appropriate equation and solve for the unknown. All right. Use the given information. Okay. So remember, these all work the same way. All right. So let me create a little chart over here. Step one. They're going to tell you what it is. Okay. So they're probably going to be all inverse, but they're going to tell you what kind of equation. All right. Step two is going to give you what you need to build it. So build, or should I say find A. Find your constant. All right, they're going to give you what you need to get your equation built. So what kind of equation, what you need to build the equation, and then step three, answer the question. Answer the question. Okay, so for number 9, if y varies inversely with x, and x is 6 when y is negative 5, find y when x is 3. Okay, so if y varies inversely with x, so that's y equals a divided by x. That's what kind it is. Step 2, they give you what you need. Alright, and x is 6 when y is negative 5, so y is negative 5 equals a over 6. Well, if I multiply 6 times negative 5, that must mean a equals negative 30. Cool. Find y when x is 3. Okay, so y equals your a value, which you just found was negative 30, divided by 3. Therefore, my must equal negative 10. I got a frog in my throat. Cool. And I know I erased it. So basically, it's what is it? It's this guy over here. Find A. It's this guy right here. And then find your answer. Alright? Try the next 3 on your own. Seriously, pause the video or stop the video and try them on your own. Check your answers when you're done. Alright. Y varies inversely with x, so that's 1. Y equals a over x. X is 1 when y is 7. 7 equals a over 1. Therefore, a must equal 7. That's pretty straightforward. And 3, I mean. Find y when x is 28. So y equals 7 over 28, which reduces down to 1/4. So y equals 0.25. Alright, if y varies inversely with x, again, which is inverse, hey, the section is inverse variation, so I'm going to give you a hint. They're probably all going to be inverse. And x is 4 when y is 9, so step 2, y is negative 9 equals a over 4, therefore a must equal negative 36. Step 3. Find x when y is 18. Okay, so we're switching it up on you. Y is 18 equals my a of negative 36 over x. Alright, so one property of these is you can switch the 18 and the x. Now, the proof for that is if I've got y equals a divided by x, if I multiply both sides by x, so I got xy equals, let's be consistent with your colors. So I got xy equals a, and then divide by y. So x equals a divided by y. So remember, you can switch those numbers, and it works. So we've got x equals negative 36 over 18, which means x equals negative 2. Okay? Last one. If y varies inversely with x, so 1. y equals a over x. And x is 5 when y is 12. 2. X is 5 when y is 12. 12 equals a over 5. Therefore, a must equal 60. 3. Find x when y is negative 3. Okay, y is 3. So 3 equals 60 over x. Again, remember you can switch those, so that's x equals 60 over 3, which equals 20. So x is 20. And I'll back up. So for those of you who just like to go to the end of the video and copy everything down, remember this over here is just a proof, so I'm going to erase this. So you don't need that on your work. All right.